Welcome all of you in online teaching learning process. We have started paper number 9 in organic chemistry, in which now we will start unit number first, acids, bases and non-aqueous solvents, in which we will see some acid base definitions. First one is a Arrhenius definition of acids and bases. So the scientist, that is Svante Arrhenius, was a scientist who defined acids and bases, and this is the simplest definition of acid and base according to Arrhenius. This is the scientist Arrhenius. So he defined an acid is any substance which donates H plus ions in aqueous solution, that is in water media. And he also defined that base is any substance which donates hydroxide ion OH minus in aqueous solution. So this definition is carried out in aqueous media. So acids and bases, that is Arrhenius concept. Acids, initially we know that acids are having sour taste and corroded, which corrodes metals. When acid deposited on any metal, then metal is corrosion of metal takes place. And base, we know that bases are having bitter taste and which are used for neutralization of acid. So acids turn blue litmus red. We know that in the presence of acid, blue litmus converted to red litmus, and base turn red litmus to blue. So Arrhenius concept, acid defined as a substance that dissociate to give H plus ion when dissolved in water. So according to Arrhenius acid base concept, Arrhenius acid gives H plus in aqueous solution. So here suppose any acid gives H plus in aqueous solution, and Arrhenius base which gives OH minus in aqueous solution. Then some examples regarding the Arrhenius concept. So Arrhenius acids which gives H plus in aqueous media, HCl gives H plus plus Cl minus. Similarly nitric acid gives H plus and NO3 minus, and Arrhenius bases NaOH giving rise to OH minus in aqueous media. Similarly calcium hydroxide gives OH minus ions. So these are the examples of Arrhenius acid base concept. Then next we will see what is a Bronsted-Lowry concept for acids and bases. This concept discovered by the scientist J.N. Bronsted and Thomas Lowry. So this concept is called as Bronsted-Lowry concept. So here acid reacts with base, we are getting conjugate base and conjugate acid. So this is a Lowry-Bronsted concept. So initially in 1923, two chemists, that is Bronsted and Lowry, independently proposed a new definition for an acid and base. So according to Bronsted-Lowry concept, a base is defined as a proton donor and acid is defined as a proton acceptor. Then according to Bronsted-Lowry concept of acids and base which give rise to conjugate acid base pairs. So suppose HA, acid 1 reacts with base 2, we are getting acid 2 and base 1. Here acid 2 base 2 are conjugate acid base pairs. Similarly acid 1 base 1 are conjugate acid base pair. Then some examples regarding conjugate acid base pairs. Suppose HCl reacted with ammonia, we are getting NH4 plus and Cl minus. So here acid is a proton donor, base is a proton acceptor. So acid 1 and we are getting here acid gives rise to proton, so acid 2. So acid 1 and base 1 conjugate acid base pair. Similarly acid 2 and base 2 are conjugate acid base pairs. Similarly NH4 plus and OH minus we are getting H2 and ammonia. There is also acid base pairs, conjugate acid base pairs will be formed. Similarly in HNO3 and water we are getting H2O plus and NO3 minus. So here is acid 1 and base 1 pair, and these are the acid 2 and base 2 pairs. So conjugate acid base pair, these are the examples. Similarly, some examples here, that is hydrochloric acid and ammonia, we are getting chloride ion and ammonium ion. So here conjugate acid base will be formed. So these are the some examples for simplification of Lowry-Bronsted concept. Then next is the Lewis acid and base. So acid base concept is further developed by Lewis acid and base, and according to Lewis acid, acid is an electron pair acceptor while base is an electron pair donor. So here Lewis acid means electron pair acceptor, Lewis base is electron pair donor. So here Lewis acid, Lewis base combined, we are getting H2. Similarly, Lewis acid and this Lewis base, here donation of lone pair takes place, we are getting the adductor. So this is a Lewis acid base pair. Some of the examples, similar, Lewis acid means electron pair acceptor, Lewis base is a electron pair donor. So we are getting the adductor or coordinate linkage. Then the example first one is the H plus NH3, then BF3 NH3 adduct, Ag plus NH3 adduct, then SO3 H2 adduct. So these are the Lewis acid base concept. Then some of the examples, an acid is an electron pair acceptor, and in these examples base is an electron pair donor. So these are the examples for simplification of Lewis acid base concept. Then typical Lewis acid base behavior. Then also we will see some types of Lewis bases and Lewis acids. Lewis base, something that complex with a Lewis acid, which will form Lewis acid, complex with Lewis acid. And what is Lewis acid? Lewis acid which form complex with Lewis base. So Lewis base means electron pair donor, ammonia, water, which are the Bronsted bases, sometimes OH minus, CH3 minus. Sometimes Lewis base act as nucleophile, CH3S minus. Sometimes it acts as ligands, APH6 3 plus. Sometimes anionic ions act as a Lewis base, SO4 minus minus and NO3 minus. Electron rich pi systems, benzene also act as a Lewis base. Then highest occupied molecular orbital HOMO act as a Lewis base. And what are Lewis acids? Lone pair acceptors, BF3 AL3, AlCl3. Metal cations, Al3 plus Ap3 plus. Electrophiles, CH3CO plus. Then protons simply act as a Lewis acid. Then cationic ions K plus, electron poor pi systems compounds, and LUMO, lowest unoccupied molecular orbital, act as a Lewis acid. So these are the classification of Lewis acids and Lewis base. Then next, last we will see what is Lux-Flood concept. An acid is an oxide acceptor. According to Lux and Flood, acid is a oxide ion acceptor and base is an oxide donor. So in case of calcium oxide and silica that is a oxide acceptor, while calcium oxide which gives oxide donor. So here base is a CO while acid is a SiO2, and finally by combination we are getting CaSiO3 slack. Then some of the examples of Lux-Flood concept. So according to Lux-Flood, acid is an oxide ion acceptor. Examples of sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, silica, P4O10, while base is an oxide ion donor. Examples of calcium oxide, barium oxide, sodium oxide, and here CaSiO2 we are getting CaSiO3. So this is the examples of Lux-Flood concept. So thank you all of you for listening this video.